आज तू ऐसे क्यों बैठी है? जॉब पे छुट्टी है क्या?
No, I'm on my period. Yeah, I guess I just decided that I just wanted to, spend some time with myself, read books, do some self-care, watch TV and my favorite shows. Isn't that what it's all about?
Periods are not that cool, okay?
What?
Well, I'm not suggesting that periods are fun. The experience for everyone is subjective. But you can definitely make this experience a lot better if you do what your body needs and what you want to do. Hi guys, welcome back to Girls Buzz and this is Umaima Malbari. In this video, we will explore some effective period self-care tips that will help you get through them well with a positive experience. Tip number 1. Take rest. The first thing that you need to understand is that enduring all the pain and discomfort will not make you win anything. Take some time off from work or taking a break from your daily schedule can help you to take over your body discomfort better. Most women feel this pressure that no matter how bad things get, they cannot rest. However, periods can be physically so draining for some women and hence taking the necessary rest is important. Tip number 2. Eat iron-rich foods. We all know how periods can take a toll on our energy levels. While most of us think rest is the only solution to it, eating a nutritious and iron-rich diet can help even better. You must ensure that you are consuming enough calories to cope with the loss happening from your body. Most women tend to not feel like having a meal at all, but even so, ensure that you eat enough to recharge your body and nourish your body. Tip number 3. Hydrate yourself. Staying hydrated is one of the most important things to do during your periods. Staying hydrated helps you feel more energized and can ease any bloating or discomfort. Sip enough water, herbal teas, or infused water. However, avoid caffeine as it can worsen your cramps, disrupt your digestive system, and alter your entire hormonal balance. Tip number 4. Pamper your skin. One of the things that most women experience during their periods are pimples. Your skin deserves some love, so treat yourself to a refreshing face mask or simply splash some cold water on your face. Besides, doing skincare can also feel very soothing and refreshing. It can also probably take your mind off of the discomfort and make you feel relaxed. Tip number 5. Use a hot water bottle for soothing cramps. For most women, period cramps are a nightmare. It is also a part of the reason why periods are an unpleasant experience for many. Staying warm and cozy in such situations can be effective. Using a hot water bottle is the go-to hack for getting some relief from period cramps. You can also enjoy a warm cup of tea while binging your favorite show or reading a good book while letting the hot water bottle do its job. While these were some self-care tips that I had to share, self-care is subjective. What might be dreadful for one can possibly be joyous for another. The idea is to embrace your body and find comfort in whatever you find comfort in, because we deserve to treat ourselves and our bodies right. If you like this video, you can hit the like button and drop a comment down below to let us know what all self-care things that you do to make your periods feel better. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.